Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I hope you are doing well. I'm your teacher Smara, and today's video is going to be an activity video for class Gamma. Dear kids, soon inshallah we are going to celebrate Eid al-Azha. That's why I thought of doing something related to Eid. So today we will make a beautiful handmade Eid card. Dear kids, watch carefully. For this activity, all we need is a chart paper, some colored papers, sketch pen, Fevicol or glue stick, scale, and decoration tape. Now, dear kids, let's begin. Step 1. Fold the chart paper in 2 equal halves, like this. Now, with the help of this tape, try to decorate your card. Like this. Similarly, from back side. Like this. Step 3. Now take some stickers and paste them on this side of chart. Dear kids, I hope you are enjoying this video. You need to watch this video very carefully so that you can gift this card to your elders this Eid, inshallah. You can use any type of stickers and obviously of any color. Now, dear kids, here comes the step 4. With the help of scale and a sketch pen, we have to draw straight lines. I'll show you how. Like this. This will give our card a beautiful look. It looks as if our stars are hanging, isn't it? Step 5. On this side of chart paper, write Happy Eid with some favorite color of yours. Dear kids, you can write Eid Mubarak as well. It's completely up to you. can decorate now this side with some stone stickers. But dear students, that's completely optional. If these stickers are not available with you, you can skip this step. You can also color it or draw pictures. Now is the time for decorating our card. Let's keep it aside for some time. Step 6. Take a colored sheet and start folding it like I'm folding. One more like this, and here one more fold like this, and here one last fold like this. Now dear kids, press it hard. Now open it and fold it like this. This is the same way what we use in making a Japanese fan. One from the front and another from back. Again. This is how it looks after all the folds are done. Now fold it in the middle. It will look like this. Here, now we'll apply some glue. Like this and like this. Again, we'll press it together. This is its final look. We require 2 such pieces. So here is another one. Now we have to paste this on our card like this. So here I'm applying some Fevicol on the 2 end sides. Now we have to press this sort of fan on our card like this. Press it hard. Now here this is how it looks like now. Similarly, I'll do the same on this side. Now, dear kids, final step. On the outer side, you can write the name of the person whom you are going to give this card. I'm writing to family. Dear kids, you can decorate it, but personally, I like it keeping simple from outer side. Let me show you the final outcome. This is how our card looks. Isn't it looking beautiful? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.